I'm not mad. I'm not mad, Chad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad, dude. I'm not mad. What's there to be mad about, Chad? I'm not fucking mad. I'm not fucking mad, dude. I'm not. Oh, Fuck you! Fuck you! I'm gonna fucking shoot up a Walmart! In Minecraft. Okay. Oh my god! What the fuck? What the fuck? Instant replay. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Did I ask your fucking opinion on any of this? Did I? Did I? Did I ask? Did I ask? Did I ask? Did I ask? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Mods, ban him! Oh, you get banned for cringe because I want you to bankrupt me, mammy. $10 a day. What the fuck? I just want everything to just work! Fuck! Excuse me? Excuse me? There's fucking soda everywhere now! There's soda fucking everywhere! Stream, shit, internet, fucking gone! Gone! It's fucking dying! Again! I can use the shotgun. This is what happened. Dude, you're saying the one fucking heal, motherfucker. What did I fucking just say? What did I fucking just say to you, man? What the fuck did I just say to you, man? I just said I don't have any fucking healing items. I think I would fucking heal if I had the fucking healing items. You think I want to do this without fucking healing items, man? You think I want to do this with the fucking Magna Man? No, no, I don't want to fucking do this with the Magna Man. No, I don't want to do it without the healing items. I am fucked! Oh my god. Here we go again. Fucking dog shit game chat. Fucking dog shit. These fucking Roblox developers, literal fucking children. Literal actual children. Milk you for every fucking little Roblox they can fucking get their fucking tiny slimy little gremlin hands on. And can't make a game worth of shit. Go make another fucking maze, assholes. Oh. How?
Yeah.
Turn that off, Iris! Turn that off! I'm gonna fucking kill you, you bitch! Turn that off right now! Turn that off right now, Iris! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off, Iris! Iris! Focus on your fucking game of Mahjong, Iris! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna push you off a fucking cliff, Irie.
Can I do a flip while I'm in it?
No!